Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to do sale on Shopify. Simply open the discount option. So here you can find the create discount option is here. So when you click here, you can see there are multiple discount types available here. So just select the relevant discount type you want to provide. Like I have selected this. So here you can see there are multiple options available here, like percentage, fixed amount, how much percentage do you want to discount, or you want to provide sale to your customer. So you can see here you can also type the discount code and click on generate, and also you can generate the discount code here. So here you can adjust your discount price, like fixed amount and percentage here. So in this section discount, you can customize your sale, and you can one by one provide all the information here. So in this way you can do a sale on Shopify.